wonder if you can hear it on here.
Well, I'm sure you can. It's pretty loud. Mystery noise number 2.
He said if I go up here, it'll be loud.
Yeah, go up toward the ridge there.
Oh, this will make someone dizzy.
Yeah.
Oh, we use some of the flower power stuff again.
I did.